Okay, we've gotten down to where we're just about ready to cut off this center section. So we're going to record this, good, bad, or indifferent. As you can see, I've removed the windows. I've also made my cuts on this final forward piece. Sure we're through everything. There we go. And I've made a couple of slight cuts, like so, in here and on the same side, so I can draw my line across here to get my level cut. So I'm going to cut that out with a Dremel tool and a carbide cutter. So let's see what happens. Or not a carbide, a cutting wheel. I'm going to get my tool around here on the other side, and we'll do the other half. Okay, we got that through the former. Now we've still got a bit of the stringer here. Oh, no, we did get that. Okay, so now we'll just continue moving along here with the saw, keeping the saw flat as much as we can. And following the line that we drew with our laser. Okay. Got that piece out. We'll just break this off right here so it's not hanging around. Now we'll cut the other side. Things are a little flimsy right now, but that'll be all stiffened up later. So we got the carbon fiber on here initially, but we'll fill the back side of that with resin and carbon fiber chopped carbon fiber. Holy moly, look at that. Came out reasonably well. Okay. Now what we'll do here is we'll put a block in here out to where the point should be, and we'll sand that down flush to get that. At that point, after we get these supports doubled up here with the 1/8 thick, 1/4 inch thick balsa, we will make us a canopy plug. We'll fill this area all in with foam and see if we can generate a canopy plug that will work out for this. See you later.